Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Afiolia Faza from class A1 Elementary School Teacher Education 2023. My name is 230603338. Here I will present my research proposal entitled Developing Canva-based interactive teaching material using the project-based learning model to improve narrative text reading skill in 5th grade elementary school students. Okay, the background of this research is 5th grade students' narrative reading skills are still relatively low. Students still have difficulty expressing ideas, developing storylines, and using a broad vocabulary and language structure. The learning media used by teachers are still conventional and less engaging for students. The limited media makes students less motivated to actively participate in reading lessons. The learning process tends to be monotonous and teacher-centered. Teachers have not maximized the developing of innovative and technology-based learning materials. Therefore, a solution is needed in the form of developing interactive learning materials based on Canva combined with the project-based learning model. To project-based learning, students are expected to be actively involved in the reading process, thereby improving 5th grade elementary school students' narrative reading skills. Formulation of the problem: what are objective conditions of Indonesian language learning in improving narrative reading skill in 5th grade elementary school students? 2. How is the process of developing interactive Canva-based learning material using a project-based learning model? 3 is developing interactive Canva-based teaching material using a project-based learning model effective in improving narrative reading skill in 5th grade elementary school students. Connect research purpose. Based on the formulated problem, this study aims to analyze 1. The objective condition of Indonesian language learning in narrative reading skill of 5th grade elementary school students. 2. The process of developing interactive teaching materials based on Canva using the project-based learning model. 3. The effectiveness of developing interactive teaching material based on Canva using the project-based learning model in improving reading skill in 5th grade elementary school students. My research method used Research and Development Board and Gall 1983. This method was chosen because it aligns with the research objective, namely to develop teaching materials and test their effectiveness. The research design include potential and problems, data collection, product design validation, product revision, file trials, and the final product. Okay, next, research instrument. The research instrument use consisted of both non-test and test instruments. The non-test instrument include observation, interviews, documentation studies, and questionnaires. The test instrument consisted of narrative text reading question and an assessment rubric to measure students' reading skill. Next, data processing. Qualitative data were obtained from observation, interview, and questionnaire and analyzed descriptively. Quantitative data were obtained from student narrative reading skills tests and analyzed using inferential statistics using SPSS. The subject of this study were 55th fifth grade elementary school student in Bandung City. This selection was based on the characteristic of fifth grade students who still experience difficulties in reading narrative, text, and suboptimal use of technology-based interactive teaching materials. Okay, the reason I choose fifth grade subjects is because fifth grade student cognitive developmental stage is ideal for project-based learning, and fifth grade is a transitional period toward more complex reading skills. Okay, research procedures. This research use the research and development R&D method, so the steps are systematic from problem identification to producing the final product. The first stage is identifying potential and problems. In this stage, the research identify problems encountered in the file specifically related to the low narrative reading skill of fifth grade students and the use of conventional learning media. The second stage is a preliminary study. In this stage, the research collected initial data through observation, teacher interview, and documentation studies to determine the current state of Indonesian language learning and the need for appropriate teaching materials. In the three stage in initial product design. In this stage, the research began designing interactive teaching material is based on Canva combined with a project-based learning model tailored to the characteristic of fifth grade students. Next, the design product is validated by experts, both material experts and media experts, to assess the appropriateness of the content, presentation, and suitability of the teaching material for learning objective. The fifth stage in the first revision. Revision are made based on suggestion and input from experts to improve the product and ensure it is stable for testing. Okay, after revision, the product is tested on a limited basis with a number of students. The trial aims to assess the practicality of the teaching materials and the initial student response to the use of interactive teaching materials. The seventh step is the second revision. This revision is based on the result of the limited trial, both students' response and learning outcomes. Next, a large-scale trial of conducted. At this stage, the teaching material are used with a large group of students to determine their effectiveness in improving narrative reading skill. Okay, the final stage is final product revision. This revision is based on the result of the large-scale trial, resulting in a final product in the form of interactive Canva-based teaching materials with a project-based learning model that is ready for use. The research implementation schedule was planned for 6 months, from the preparation stage to the preparation of the thesis report. In the first month, the research conducted a preliminary study and literature review. These activities include problem formulation, theoretical foundation, development and research hypothesis formulation. In the second month, the research began product drafts design, namely developing the initial design for Canva-based interactive teaching. Materials integrate with the project-based learning model. In the 3 month product developing was carried out, including refining in content, display design, and integrating project-based learning steps. Okay, in the 4 month, the research process analyzed data, both quantitative and qualitative, to determine the effectiveness of the developed teaching materials. In the 5th month, the research interpret the research result, draw conclusion, and develop a recommendation based on the research findings. In the 6th month, the research prepare the final report or thesis. Okay, that is all, and thank you. Bye-bye.